Welcome students. Today we will study the parental care in amphibia. In amphibia, parents they take care of their young ones by roughly or majorly into two categories. These two categories are first protection by nest, then nurseries or shelters, and second direct caring by the parents. First we will study the protection by nest, nurseries or shoulders. First, the amphibians they have evolved countless interesting methods to give protection to their defenseless eggs and larvae from predators. In that, they first select the site for the building of nest or shelter, or we can say them as nurseries. First stage is selection of site. The many amphibians they lay their eggs in protected condition where microhabitats are mostly moist conditioned and they prefer land for the purpose of laying eggs. Then many tropical frogs and toads they lay their eggs on land near the water bodies. Then many tree frogs they lay their eggs on leaves instead of land. They give their eggs on the leaves and branches which are overhanging on the water bodies. Then the certain species like Rhacophorus, hylodes, etc. they produce glue surrounding their eggs to foliage hanging over the water body. Okay. Then many tree frog species they deposit their eggs in the water that accumulate in epiphytic tropical plants, and these are free from reach of aquatic egg predator organisms in their microhabitats. Then the tadpoles on hatching they drop into the water which is beneath their nest and they complete their further metamorphosis. Then second method is defending egg or territories. Here the male individuals of the green frog, that is Rana clamitans, and other species they maintain their territories and they attack small intruders to maintain their eggs or to defend their eggs. Here the male or female they guards the eggs. In some species the male actually sit over and holds with hands the elastic gelatinous envelope which contains the eggs, and it is about 17 in number. Then third is direct development. In some terrestrial tree frogs such as Hyla, hylodes, etc., the eggs hatch directly into little frogs. Thus, they avoid mortality during the larval conditions. In the red blackened salamander, the hatchlings they are very small in size, but they resembles the adult. The next condition, that is foam nest, they also include mechanism for the protection of eggs. Then another condition is the mud nest, then tree nest, then forming of gelatinous bags covering the eggs. These are the protection for the eggs, and in this way these amphibians take care of their eggs.